What's up guys? Today we are going to test this RC boat with a twist. I think you're going to love this thing because we have never seen anything like it before. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a little nap there by the RC boat that we just tested the other day. Popeye's back at home because we're just trying to beat this storm today. You can actually probably hear the thunder rolling in. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Here on our channel, we do family-friendly RC videos. We test things, let you know if we think they're worth your hard-earned money or not. About 50% of the things are not, at least, so know that you're in good hands. Today, we're testing this very unique RC boat. Can you tell what's different on that? Well, if you've ever seen an RC boat before, you probably can. This has a camera on the top. It comes like that. This is an FPV RC boat. I'll bet you have never seen anything like this before because I know we haven't, and we test this stuff all the time. So, let's see how it does on the water. It's by a good company, JJRC. And before we put it on the water, I want to show you this because to those of you that like RC boats, you'll probably think this is really unique. I thought it was really cool. That just snaps off. Now you have your normal boat guts in here. We're going to pop the battery in that's included. Plugs right into that. There's a little bit of extra wiring going on in there, and that's because, check this out, the camera is mounted right here, and then it has a battery that's in a watertight sealed area back there. And so you have to charge them separately. It comes with two chargers, USB chargers. You charge the boat battery via USB. At the same time, you can plug in this battery, or actually it's right here. That's the battery. I'm excited to test this. I hope you guys are too. Let's put it on the water and see how it does. FPV on an RC boat. This is gonna be awesome.
It's hooked up. I don't know if you can see that. Nate said he has no steering yet, and I said throw it in the water because
the yellow one did.
Might be like that. Let's see. Got steering now.
Yep. That's right.
So yeah, a lot of these boats, they don't work until they're in the water. It's pretty neat technology.
Hopefully I didn't splash water on the FPV.
Oh yeah, you did.
I did?
Oh yeah.
Was it horrible? Oh no, I'll clean it off. I'm sorry. Okay, I gotta get a smoother... Oh, that's a nice tight turn. That's awesome.
So you're just like taxiing, you're not even full throttle. Yeah, it's all sorts of blurry. Look at that. That's so funny. It's better.
Better?
Yeah, be gentle.
Okay.
Okay, I mean, it's gonna get water on the lens, probably no matter what. So.
Check this out though. Look at this.
Yeah.
Boom. And then we can tighten that down. This looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really cool.
I mean, I can see the little bird thing over there.
It's a new twist to RC boating.
Yeah.
So,
and it's a waterproof system. At least it should be. Okay, let's go. I'm actually driving FPV on this thing. Look at this. Look, I'm actually driving FPV. Like just nice and slow. Okay, this is awesome. This is the first time I've ever done this.
Go faster!
I'm going to, but this is so cool. Like even at this speed.
Everybody's really like, too slow, click away.
Okay, here we go.
They want to see you drive fast.
Woo!
That is good.
Yeah, and look, it's actually usable and stuff. I mean, I still got a little water splashes up on my camera, but look at this thing. It's actually driving well. And, oh, I think we have range issues. Like right out there is about our range, so we don't want to push this too far away.
That's a small boat, so it's meant for a small pond.
Yeah. It's a pretty good sized pond, isn't it? I just saw a fish jump up there.
Yeah, I've seen several.
So I'm noticing, and I think it's because it's 2.4 gigahertz, the Wi-Fi is interfering with it a little bit, but as long as you don't get too close to the edge and stuff, I think you're okay. This is really awesome. A really good spin on RC boats. Abby, you have to try this. Oh, I just like slammed on the reverse really fast because I was afraid it might go into the shore. So my only tip would be to keep it a little closer than what you might some other RC boats, but look at this thing. Really fun. And actually the FPV is working so well. What we're doing is a screen recording for you guys so you can actually see what we're seeing live. Abby, you got to try this. This is Abby's first time ever driving an FPV RC boat. So you're gonna see it's actually fun to go slow, surprisingly.
Oh, I have major water. I got water.
Oh no, I'm sorry. That's probably my fault.
No, I just did it.
Is it still viewable? Can you still see it?
It's pretty blurry.
Oh.
I think I just did a really sharp right turn.
If you want, I'll clean it up for you so you actually have a better view while you're driving. Because it's really fun. Look at that, guys.
It does sharp little turns.
Yeah,
on the
this...
right.
Do you guys remember the yellow RC boat that we drove yesterday? Or maybe the day before on the channel? This is way outperforming that boat. Look at you go. You're like super tight circles. Remember the other one would not even turn. Like it had such a wide radius. You are crazy. You and your donuts. Look at that little bird up there.
They like my donuts, Nathan. They tell me in the comments. I see the comments. They tell me all the time. Okay.
Not bad.
Not too shabby.
I would love to see some bigger, more powerful, better FPV signal type stuff, better camera even, more FPV RC boats. This is so awesome. You back it up a little bit. I know what happened there, and we'll tell everyone needs to know that this does have some Wi-Fi interference.
It kept going for like 5 seconds.
Yes. So, well, that's an exaggeration because I think it was maybe like 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
But it does do that. So what you want to do is kind of keep it away from the shoreline when you're driving. Or people, especially. Because the Wi-Fi does kind of lock it up a little bit. More so than any other RC boat we've driven. But at least the boat itself performs really well. I will give it that. If it didn't have the Wi-Fi FPV interference.
It's a pretty neat concept.
Oh, very cool. And for the price, I mean, to be so innovative, really cool. And you know, maybe there have been FPV boats before.
I just haven't had one.
But we've been in this hobby and doing videos on YouTube now for over 6 years. Almost every single day a new video. And I've never seen this. And I don't think most of you guys have either. Really cool. Really cool concept. I was so excited to get out and test this for you guys. What do you think? I want to hear from you in the comments section below. Let us know what you think about FPV on an RC boat. And do you like this location that we're driving at? Abby, nice and slow. Look at your FPV. It's really good, isn't it?
Uh-huh. The rain is starting, I think. No, it's not.
No, not
I'm
yet.
just making ripples on the river. I thought I felt some raindrops.
Well guys, a like on this video will help us out a lot. It really helps the channel and it's 100% free. If you enjoy the content that we bring to you and what we do for the hobby, then consider supporting us over on patreon.com. We'll have a link in the description box below. Beside this RC boat, if you want to support us free, just go watch another one of our videos. Check out another RC boat if you're in the market, or even do us a big favor and hit the subscribe button. Being subscribed to our channel could actually save you guys some money because sometimes we come across good deals, flash sales, and we let you know about them in our videos. Well, as Abby drives and finishes up this video review, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.
Bye.